to Pulau Bangau.
It is 6:30 p.m. now. Let's go on board for bird watching at Pulau Bangau. Pulau Bangau is located in Sungai Perak, the fourth longest river in Malaysia. Pulau Bangau is home to around 40,000 of birds. This boat trip will take us to watch tens of thousands of birds returning to their nests at the backdrop of the marvelous sunset over the Perak River. Look, the first flock of birds are returning to their habitat, followed by more and more and more. Birds fly in the shape of a V to conserve energy and to reduce wind resistance. Aren't the birds smart? I'm going to keep quiet for a bit now and watch the birds heading home to roost. From here you can see that the bigger birds occupying the topmost branches. A parent bringing food back to its hatchlings. So heartfelt to see. Two grey herons roosting in their nest. So lovely. An elegant white heron flying so gracefully heading home. From afar, the mangrove tree seems like decorated with hundreds of cotton balls. This is a black-crowned night heron that hunt at night and rest during the day. When night fell, we noticed that the flocks of birds returning to their nests were flying low. Why is it so? We were catching the last glimpse of this amazing natural phenomenon before the sky turned dark. We were told that there could be over 10 species of birds found in this island. Here are some sighted by us. This is my favorite shot, a beautiful purple heron. It was a wonderful evening out watching the birds and creating great memories.